We're going to go over the first problem from level 2 and level 3 on the Delta Math review. So for this one, we have a cosine graph. Here's the parent function. And we can see that normally the cosine starts up. But since this one is starting in the negative, we know that we need a negative here. Now we need to figure out the amplitude. Sometimes for cosine, what I like to do is just to see what the entire distance is from here to the peak. So we have -4 to +2. That's a distance of 6. And then just cut it in half. So 6 divided by 2 is 3. We can check it just to make sure it makes sense. If we go down 1, 2, 3, that looks like our midline. And 1, 2, 3, yes, it works. Our period, we start off at 0 and we go to 2 pi. So whenever you see a period of 2 pi, you know that b is 1. And then for our vertical shift, we can see that for a normal -3 in the amplitude, we would start off at -3. But since we're starting at -4, that means this whole graph has been shifted down 1. So I can put in -1. And there we go. I'm going to go back to level 3. And let's try this example. We have a sine graph. Here's the parent function. Let's see. First we can go ahead and look at what the amplitude is. It's pretty easy to see here. This is the midline. So if we go up from 2 to 3, that just means our amplitude is 1. The period here, we start at 0 and go to 2 pi over 3. And remember, the period is always 2 pi over b. So in this case, b must be 3. And now let's look at the shift. We could see our midline is at 2. Normally our midline would be at 0. So we have been shifted up 2. Let's give it a try. And there you go. That's it. We will definitely be working on level 4 tomorrow. If you have any questions, feel free to email me.